Hello, I'm Jack. Welcome to Practical Programming channel. In this video, I will discuss another code update for WebGPU applications. WebGPU Working Group just released another version of WebGPU package 0.1.6. In this version, there are some changes compared to the previous version. Here, I only list two changes that may affect our WebGPU applications. First change is to change the contact type string from GPU present to WebGPU. The other change is that they change the context interface name from GPU presentation context back to GPU canvas context. The original name is GPU canvas context. They changed to GPU presentation context. This has been discussed in the previous code update. Right now, they changed the GPU presentation context back to the original name, GPU canvas context, because the GPU canvas context matches the new context type string a bit better. Now I will use the code for video 10 to illustrate how to update the code. Again, we will use the gate tool to clone the source code used in the 10th video. Now open a command prompt window and run the following command: git clone, and paste this link. This will generate WebGPU 10 folder on your local machine. This folder contains all the source code used in that video. Now we can cd into this folder, cd turn. At this point, we are going to start Visual Studio Code with the command code period. This is Visual Studio Code interface. Okay, we can close this welcome page. Here contains all the source code used in the 10th video series. Now open a new terminal window and run the command npm install to restore the npm packages used in these applications. Okay, finished. Now all the installed packages are stored in the node modules folder. Now we can bound our TypeScript file. npm run prod. Okay, bound file created successfully. Now we can click this Go Live link to open the Chrome Canary to view our cube. You can see that our application with the old code is still working, but when you open the Chrome Developer Console, you will find some warning message. Here you can see the context type GPU present is deprecated. Use WebGPU instead. So we have to replace the GPU present by the WebGPU. Now open the package.json file. You can see that our GPU version is 0.1.4. Now in the terminal window, we will run the following command to update to the latest version: npm update types. Okay, now you can see the WebGPU types version is 0.1.6, which is the latest version currently. From the src folder, open the help.ts file and find the function init GPU here. Before we already changed the original, you can see swap chain we replaced, so we changed once. Here we make a copy of this function, copy and paste here, and comment out these methods for later reference. Now we need to make some change to this function. First, we need to change this GPU present context type to WebGPU. And also you can see here the GPU presentation context is deprecated. So we need to use GPU canvas context instead. So we need to change the GPU canvas context. Next, we need to add the size of the context interface. So we need to add the size definition here. This is new. Is a device pixel ratio equal to window device pixel ratio or equal to 1. So the size definition, the canvas, the width times the device pixel ratio. This is width, this is height. So use this expression to define the size. And also we need to change the format. You can see here the format we directly define using BGRA8 norm, the string to define format. Here we need to change this to this format. The format equals to context get preferred format. Here is the adapter inside this input argument. From here you can see we didn't specify the format directly, use the string, but we call the get preferred format function. This function returns an optimal GPU texture format to use with this context and device created from the given adapter. So they give optimal format. So this is better than directly specified using a string. So now we already have a device, have format. Right now we need to put the context config, the size. We just define size. Okay, now we finish the code update for this application. Save this file. Next we can check whether it is working or not. npm run parallel bundle the TypeScript code. Okay, the bundle file created successfully. Now we can click a Go Live link to open the Chrome Canary. Okay, this is the cube displayed on this page. So this is working. But we can open the Chrome Developer Console. You can see there's no warning message appear in this console here. So you can follow this procedure to update your other WebGPU applications. I will stop here today. See you next time. Bye.